All right, guys, so I just got this portable water and milk warmer right here. So let's unbox it, see what's inside. All right, okay, nice and light. Okay, first I see it got the charger, the USB-C, and it has the base. Extra points for the base. A lot of companies, they send you the cord, but they do not send you a base. So kudos to Heyaxa for sending the base. This is great, guys. Like, love it. So obviously you have the user manual, and then you have the actual warmer itself. And this is nice and light. So let's open it up here. You can open it up like this. Oh, looks like you could drink it from right here. Your baby wants to drink it from right here. You can also open it like this. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you have multiple drinking modes. So you can drink it like this, or you can drink it like this. That is pretty cool. Love that, love that. Now one thing that I did notice is that it doesn't have any type of holder. So it doesn't have any, you know how you, like a carrier. And a lot of the other ones do. So I'm gonna have to deduct a point for that, but still like it, but you just gotta hold it. You don't have anything, you don't have the things like wrapping around your shoulders or anything. So, okay, take it out. All right, okay, and this is how it looks on the inside. See that? See if there's anything you can check off the bottom. Nope. Okay, so I like this, guy. So what you do is you either put water in here or you put milk in here, and you press this power button to obviously turn it on, and you can turn up the heat as much as you want it to. Every time you turn it up, it'll go up a degree, or you could turn it down, right? There's also this lock button. So if you set the heat temperature and you don't do anything for like 10 seconds, it'll automatically lock. And what that means is you can't change anything until it gets to the temperature that it needs to get to, which is good because if you're on the go and you're turning on the temperature and you have it in your bag and it's moving, it can turn the temperature up or down. But if it's locked, it can't do that. So that's great. And then, yeah, if you want to turn it, if you want to reset it, you have to hit the power button again, turn it off, and then turn it back on. So those are basic instructions for you. So I like this, guys. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 only because it doesn't have like a handle that you can hold. But other than that, I think this is a really, really great, solid pick if you need a portable water or bottled milk warmer on the go. All right. Highly recommend. Peace, y'all.